Hello learners, welcome to the complete Python programming course. I am Sunil Gupta and I'm your instructor for this course. In this course we will learn some basic to advanced techniques regarding Python programming. First of all, we have to install the Python IDE where we can program regarding Python. So first of all, we're gonna learn that how you can install the software where you can program regarding Python. For that, you have to install PyCharm. Here you can see on the screen that PyCharm is a software or IDE which you can use to program about Python programming. Yeah. Here open the Google and the type download PyCharm, and here you can see the first link, download latest version of PyCharm. So click on it. I already downloaded that, but I am explaining you that how you can download your PyCharm. So here you can download your PyCharm provided by JetBrains, and here you can download your PyCharm. You have to save the file, and after downloading you will get your PyCharm. I already have PyCharm downloaded on my screen, so we will try to install it in our system. Let's install. Yes. Next. And it depends on you what type of launcher you want. That it's my 64-bit launcher, and as my system is 64-bit, so I will use 64-bit launcher here. Next. Install. It will take less than a minute to install in your system. It is extracting all the files from the PyCharm exe and installing in your system. As you can see, these are all Python files which are extracting from the zip file and trying to install it in your system. It is about the completion of installation. And here we go. That's just completed the installation procedure. Now it's time for all the DLL files. And that's it. Finish. So now you can see that there is also a shortcut available in your PC, and you can click on it to open up the PyCharm. And here you can see import PyCharm settings from. Do not import anything. Okay. It is trying to open up. Here we go. So it is PyCharm Community 2017.1. This is one of the best tools the developer use in industry. You want a demo? No, we don't want, so skip. Create new projects, and you can make your own project. Like my name is Sunil underscore Gupta, and click on create. And it is loading the project. If you want a tip, if you don't want, then click on close. That's it. So this is your graphical user interface of PyCharm community, where we will do programming of Python. This is one of the best tools which I use when I do Python programming. This is your latest edition of PyCharm, and this is your project. And if you want to create a file, then right click in it and click in file, enter a new file name, first underscore program, click on OK. And what type of file you want? I want a Python file because we are doing Python programming. So click on Python and OK. Here we go. Our first program, first class, and the first class is first program has been created, and now we are ready to do programming like addition or 2 plus 3, right? So this is how you can install PyCharm in your system, and next video we will learn our first program of Python. Stay with us. Thank you.